The U.S. Air Force has long been a pioneer in cutting-edge aviation, but its latest creation is unlike anything seen before. A mysterious fighter jet, designed with technology that seemingly defies physics, is now undergoing testing. With its sleek, UFO-like design and capabilities shrouded in secrecy, this aircraft challenges everything we know about modern warfare. Is this the dawn of a new era in aerial dominance? Let's find out. The birth of a Phantom, America's secret triangular aircraft. The late 1980s were a period of relentless innovation in military aviation, driven by the escalating tensions of the Cold War. The U.S. military was in a race to maintain air superiority, and the solution had to be revolutionary. An aircraft invisible to radar, capable of deep reconnaissance, and designed for covert operations. Hidden within the depths of a multi-billion-dollar black budget program, the U.S. Air Force introduced a top-secret aircraft, the TR-3A Black Manta. Developed under a classified initiative known as the Black Triangle Project, the TR-3A was believed to be the result of cutting-edge research, possibly spearheaded by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. Unlike any aircraft before it, this sleek, triangular craft was designed for stealth espionage. Agile, silent, and cloaked in secrecy, it was rumored to have played a crucial role during the Gulf War, conducting high-stakes reconnaissance missions without ever being detected. With advanced radar-absorbing materials and next-generation stealth capabilities, its design paralleled the F-117 Nighthawk, but with an even greater emphasis on secrecy. In 1989, the existence of this mysterious aircraft burst into public awareness following a wave of unusual sightings over Belgium. Civilians and police officers alike reported seeing a dark, triangular craft gliding silently across the night sky. Its structure was distinct: sharp edges, a matte black surface, and 3 glowing lights positioned at each corner. Witnesses described its movements as eerily precise, at times hovering motionless before accelerating at impossible speeds. The Belgian Air Force, alarmed by the numerous reports, scrambled F-16 fighter jets to intercept the unidentified craft. Radar operators locked onto it, only to witness it perform maneuvers that defied conventional aerodynamics: instant accelerations, abrupt stops, and turns too sharp for any known aircraft. Despite multiple attempts to engage, the jets were unable to match its speed or agility, leaving the military baffled. As the sightings of the TR-3A gradually faded, whispers of something even more advanced began circulating, an aircraft that seemed to push the boundaries of technology even further. It was said to be the next evolution in Black Project aviation, a machine that defied logic itself. The TR-3B Astra had arrived. But what kind of aircraft can outmaneuver fighter jets with impossible speed and agility? Stay tuned as we uncover the truth. The TR-3B Astra, America's mysterious anti-gravity aircraft. Shrouded in secrecy and speculation, the TR-3B Astra is one of the most enigmatic aircraft ever rumored to exist. Emerging from classified black projects, this triangular craft is said to be a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of aviation and defying conventional physics. Unlike its predecessor, the TR-3A Black Manta, which primarily focused on stealth, the TR-3B is believed to incorporate a revolutionary anti-gravity propulsion system, an innovation that, if real, could change the very nature of aerial warfare. The TR-3B's rumored design is both awe-inspiring and unnerving. Significantly larger than the TR-3A, it is described as an equilateral triangle with a dark, almost matte black surface that absorbs radar waves, making it nearly invisible to detection systems. At each of its 3 corners, powerful turbofan engines with thrust-vectoring nozzles allow it to execute extreme aerial maneuvers. Sharp right-angle turns, sudden accelerations, and hovering capabilities that would be impossible for conventional aircraft. But the real game-changer lies at the heart of its propulsion: a nuclear-powered magnetic field disruptor. This cutting-edge system, supposedly developed in deep secrecy, utilizes a high-energy mercury plasma ring to generate an intense electromagnetic field. By reducing the craft's mass by up to 89%, this system allows the TR-3B to defy gravity itself. It can remain completely motionless in mid-air, then dart away at hypersonic speeds, all while maintaining eerie silence. Witnesses describe a central glowing orb beneath the craft, believed to be the plasma field generator, casting an otherworldly luminescence as it moves through the night sky. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting the existence of this craft came on March 13, 1997. That night, thousands of residents in Phoenix, Arizona, looked up to witness a formation of lights in the sky, massive, silent, and blocking out the stars. The event, now known as the Phoenix Lights, was seen by civilians, pilots, and even former Governor Fife Symington, who later described it as otherworldly. The size, the silent movement, and the triangular pattern of lights perfectly matched the descriptions of the TR-3B. As the object drifted across the city, some reported feeling an eerie, almost magnetic sensation in the air before it disappeared into the darkness. Similar sightings have been reported across the globe, with the earliest accounts dating back to the late 1980s. In 2004, an RAF officer off the coast of the North Sea witnessed a massive black triangle hovering silently over the water before it accelerated at an unimaginable speed. In 2014, a Texas police officer patrolling a quiet road at night encountered a hovering triangular craft just a few hundred feet above the ground. It remained suspended for a brief moment before vanishing in an instant, leaving behind only questions. His dash cam footage, though grainy, reignited speculation and fear. Was this the TR-3B? Despite never being officially acknowledged, the TR-3B has been linked to some of the most classified aerospace developments of the late 20th and early 21st centuries. If it truly exists, it would be the ultimate stealth aircraft, capable of infiltrating any airspace undetected. Its propulsion system, which allegedly operates with minimal moving parts, makes it nearly impossible to hear, leaving only a faint glowing trace beneath its hull. Throughout military history, advancements in aviation have followed a clear trajectory: increased stealth, greater maneuverability, and cutting-edge propulsion. The F-117 Nighthawk, the B-2 Spirit, and the F-22 Raptor all revolutionized their respective eras, each incorporating some of the most advanced technology of their time. But none have ever come close to the rumored capabilities of the TR-3B. The U.S. military has reportedly been exploring anti-gravity technologies for over 70 years, with patents and declassified research hinting at propulsion systems that could manipulate gravity itself. Organizations like NASA, the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, and the Air Force Research Laboratory have all contributed to decades of study on mass reduction and propellantless propulsion. Yet most of these breakthroughs remain buried within classified projects, far from public scrutiny. If the TR-3B Astra is indeed real, it represents a leap so extraordinary that it blurs the line between human engineering and science fiction. Those who claim to have seen it describe something that seems almost alien, an aircraft capable of feats that defy physics as we know it. But with no official confirmation and only fragmented eyewitness reports, the truth remains elusive. The mysterious TR-3B, a breakthrough in anti-gravity technology. Shrouded in secrecy, the TR-3B, allegedly codenamed Astra, is said to be one of the most advanced black-budget aircraft ever developed. Its first operational reconnaissance flight reportedly took place in the early 1990s, and its propulsion system, rumored to defy conventional physics, was constructed under the highly classified Aurora program. This top-secret initiative, believed to be overseen by the NSA, NRO, and CIA, funneled billions of dollars into the development of cutting-edge aerospace technology. The result? A flying machine that could redefine the limits of aviation. At the heart of the TR-3B lies its revolutionary propulsion system, a classified technology known as Magnetic Field Disruptor, MFD. This advanced system relies on a circular accelerator filled with plasma, which surrounds the aircraft's crew compartment. By generating a powerful magnetic field, the MFD is capable of neutralizing gravitational forces by up to 89%, making the aircraft dramatically lighter and significantly easier to maneuver. With this weight reduction, the TR-3B is theorized to achieve speeds of Mach 9, both horizontally and vertically. The only limiting factor? The biological endurance of its pilot. The plasma that fuels this extraordinary technology is not ordinary. It is produced by subjecting mercury to an extreme pressure of 250,000 atmospheres while maintaining a temperature of minus 23 degrees centigrade. When accelerated to 50,000 revolutions per minute, this highly pressurized mercury transforms into a superconducting plasma. This process activates the MFD, effectively counteracting gravitational forces and enabling the TR-3B to defy known aerodynamics. The implications of this technology extend far beyond propulsion. If harnessed correctly, anti-gravity technology could reshape modern warfare, allowing military forces to neutralize incoming artillery in midair without the need for physical interception. It could also eliminate the dependency on inefficient rocket fuel, a substance so impractical that reaching the nearest neighboring star would require a fuel mass equal to that of the Sun itself. The possibilities seem limitless, but the secrecy surrounding the TR-3B and other black-budget aircraft raises more questions than answers. If such technology truly exists, where could it lead? And perhaps more importantly, what other classified breakthroughs remain hidden from the world? But what if the TR-3B's secret technology is just the tip of the iceberg? Stay tuned, this changes everything. The shadowed future of black aircraft, secrets, stealth, and speculation. The world of secret military aviation exists in a realm where reality and science fiction intertwine. Classified black projects have birthed some of the most mysterious aircraft ever conceived. Machines designed to remain undetected, push technological limits, and challenge conventional physics. These black aircraft don't necessarily refer to color, but rather their highly classified nature, often linked to military research hubs like Area 51 and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Stealth technology is advancing at an astonishing pace. Future aircraft will likely become even harder to detect across radar, thermal, acoustic, and optical spectrums. Advanced materials such as metamaterials capable of bending light may render aircraft nearly invisible, while adaptive stealth systems could allow real-time camouflage. The emergence of ghost aircraft, machines that leave no trace, may soon shift from fiction to reality. A major mystery surrounding black aircraft is their propulsion systems. While traditional engines still dominate aviation, rumors suggest breakthroughs in exotic propulsion. Ion thrusters, nuclear-powered aircraft, and even propulsion based on quantum effects are areas of active research. The most controversial possibility remains anti-gravity. The TR-3B, a rumored black aircraft, is said to use revolutionary propulsion, allegedly reverse-engineered from extraterrestrial technology. If true, it would redefine aerospace engineering and space travel as we know it. Artificial intelligence is reshaping modern warfare. Autonomous drones have already become deadly assets, but future black aircraft may operate entirely without human pilots. Fully autonomous machines could make combat decisions, conduct deep reconnaissance, and perform missions in environments too dangerous for humans. The prospect of AI-controlled fighter jets outperforming manned aircraft is no longer speculation. It's rapidly becoming reality. The next frontier for black aircraft may be their ability to operate beyond Earth's atmosphere. Reports suggest the TR-3B's unique propulsion system enabled it to reach near-space altitudes, making it nearly impossible to track. If similar technology is being refined, we could soon see aircraft capable of seamlessly transitioning between atmospheric and spaceflight. True hybrid aircraft, ones that can fly at hypersonic speeds before launching into orbit, could revolutionize military strategy and space exploration. Eyewitness reports of a strange, silent, triangular-shaped aircraft have circulated for years. The TR-3B has been linked to secret projects at Area 51, with claims that it originated from reverse-engineered alien technology, possibly from the Roswell crash. Despite leaked documents and countless sightings, the U.S. government denies its existence, attributing reports to experimental aircraft, drones, or weather balloons. However, the consistency of these reports raises serious questions. Are these glimpses of an aircraft so advanced that its existence is deliberately concealed? Or are they misidentified classified projects? One thing is certain, black aircraft remain among the most enigmatic machines ever created, and the truth behind them may be even more extraordinary than we imagine. But what do you think? Are black aircraft revolutionary human inventions or proof of something beyond our world? We'd like to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.